And while help is here from the federal government, healthcare workers and some lawmakers say they are playing catch up. CBS 2's Bauman has this.
They went from telling us you'll get 2 masks a day to getting 2 masks a week.
Bronx ICU nurse Michelle Gonzalez has been ringing the alarm about the lack of N95 masks for weeks. Now the Montefiore Medical Center nurse says things have only gotten worse.
Healthcare workers are being told to store our belongings in brown paper bags. They were telling us to Lysol or to wipe the mask down with Clorox.
Hospitals across the city are running out of space. Beds are lined all along the hallway walls at Brookdale Hospital in Brooklyn, and the doctors say it's still not enough.
Share resources. If one hospital doesn't have enough masks, rather than that hospital have to scramble, let the other hospitals help.
Monday morning, the USNS Comfort sailed into New York's harbor. The 70,000-ton Navy hospital ship will not treat COVID patients, rather other urgent cases to help free up space in hospitals.
Not all of our nation's heroes wear military uniforms. Especially today, we acknowledge that many wear scrubs.
CBS 2 got a look inside the medical tents being inflated in Central Park. The Christian-based organization Samaritan's Purse is bringing its own staff and 68 beds, including 10 ICU beds, which tonight are being unpacked and set up. The Jacob Javits Convention Center has started accepting patients. This temporary field hospital has 1,000 beds, and the governor is asking for more. If filled to capacity at 3,000 beds, the Javits Center would become the city's largest hospital.
FEMA has obligated more than $1.3 billion in federal support to the state of New York. Work has begun on additional temporary hospital sites.
Meantime, Nurse Gonzalez has not returned to work since she came down with a fever Sunday. Both her parents now have COVID-19 symptoms, but Gonzalez says none of them have been able to get tested.
There's not enough workers for the amount of patients. The amount of nurses is going down, the amount of doctors is going down, the amount of workers in general is going down because people have to quarantine.
Governor Cuomo has also announced a statewide public-private hospital plan, where hospitals that are beginning to reach or exceed capacity can transfer patients to hospitals that are not as full. On the west side, Bauman, CBS 2 News.